The wife said, who will look after me? My husband has taken the easy option. Allah has ordained him with a mercy, the death of a martyr, because he's crushed on the rubble. But who will look after me? Who will look after my 5 children? And I ask you, brothers and sisters, when I look at my children, are the children in Turkey and Syria any less beloved to me? And if it means having to drive to Syria or to drive to Turkey to help, inshallah we will do it. But the call has come from there. It's very simple. We have umpteen volunteers. What we need is resources. What we need is finances. Because when the earthquake struck, in the last third of the night, they ran to save their lives. In some cases, leaving loved ones behind with nothing but the clothes on their back if they were lucky to have them. And now they stand in the shivering cold without food, without clothes, without shelter, and in some cases, without their children.